Hi everybody, Ralph Havens here, Miracles, Magic, Healing, and More. And this is the Qigong sounds from Wisdom Healing Qigong, qicenter.com, the work of Peng Ming in China and Ming Tong Gu here in the United States, qicenter.com, qicenter.com. So these sounds I'm going to go through one at a time, but for your information, if you go through them in a group, there's an order that's really useful to use. It's the heart, then the kidney, then the pancreas, then the liver, then the lungs, and then back to the heart. So it goes heart, kidneys, pancreas, liver, lungs, and heart. And I'm going to show you each one individually so that they're not really long videos. And if you feel you want to work on a certain organ system, you can just use that organ sound. And if you want to go through in order, that's a really good way to go through the whole body. If you only have one you're going to do the kidneys. If you, when in doubt, do the kidneys. When you want to fix anything, do the kidneys. And with these sounds, the first sound is the sound that helps with the physical organ. So it helps to get that well. The second sound works on the mental and emotional part of that organ. And the story, like the thing that happened to you, the thing that happened, then you judged as a story, and then it became a belief system, and then it runs your life. So, so the story can be shifted into what it really is, which is basically pure energy, Wan Yan Qi. And then the third sound is the spiritual organ sound, so connecting you to the divine, to your path and purpose. And each organ has a different process. So of course the heart is about love or hate or abandonment. So love is the positive version of the heart. The kidneys are letting go of fear, anxiety, and depression, and the other side is alert excitement for life. The pancreas is deep issues around mortality, so big issues around life. The liver is about letting go of anger and codependency, and of course toxins. And the positive side is your path and purpose. The lungs are letting go of grief and sadness, and the positive side is the joy of life, and then back to the heart. So the first one I'm going to do is the heart sounds. And while we do it, we might as well do the La Qi. And you can also, if you want to, instead just put your hands on your heart. Okay, so the first sound is Sheen, S-H-E-E-N. Sheen, sheen, sheen. And you can notice the space after the sound as it goes away when it's empty there. Sheen, sheen, sheen. That's the physical sound of the heart. The mental, emotional, the story part of the heart is Qigong, S-H-E-O-N-G. Qigong, Qigong, Qigong. The third sound is the spiritual heart, and it's said more quietly and reverently. S-H-I-N. Shin. Sheen. So we'll do one of each. Physical heart. Shin. Mental, emotional, story heart. Xiang. Spiritual heart. Shin. One more time. Hands on your belly button. For men, left hand first. For women, right hand first. Okay, that's the heart.